So something big is coming to the crypto industry and it's not that far away. I want people to really realize how huge this in fact is. When I look at, the ADA chart, for example, I see probably about 30 to 90 days more of this max pain range that we're in. This isn't financial advice. This isn't to say that, we're going to not see more downside, right? There's always that possibility. Actually, I'm really impressed with how ADA is held up here. It bounced off this 24-cent range. Might have created a double bottom there, which is great. I'd love to see us kind of trade sideways until we break this negative sentiment trend. Because in 30 to 90 days, that's when that should happen. We should start to see more positivity. We're closing in on the Bitcoin halving. We're closing out the year, right? Bull market coming. There's great things that can move price to the upside, but there's something even bigger that is just down the road that I want to talk to you guys about. And I've been talking about it a bunch. It's mass adoption. So I've had people that have had more of a bearish sentiment. They're talking about prices dropping, in the short term here. I've had people talk about even the heights of a bull market cycle not being all-time highs because now everybody's expecting it. Well, the thing is not everybody's expecting it. All right. Right now, we are on the precipice, or not the precipice, we're on the doorstep of mass adoption. We are now at this point where the adoption of crypto is happening faster than the internet. I want you to really think about that. We are now accelerating faster in terms of adoption than when the internet was first being adopted. We are expected to see massive influxes of people and capital that are entering the crypto space for the first time. And I'll tell you what, the coins and chains that are creating new unique utility and use case and can, foster this sort of adoption, those are the ones that are going to thrive. And guess what? ADA is one of those coins. Now, this isn't to say that ADA is going to absolutely explode. If you guys haven't figured out, I definitely think it will. But people don't realize how quickly this will in fact happen. Although it may seem like the charts are down now and prices aren't doing anything, there are things that are going to happen very quickly. Bitcoin halving 6-7 months away. Bull market, likely even less time than that. Okay. Alt season, not too long after the Bitcoin halving. Mass adoption happening even faster than people realize. 2026, 2027, there's expected to be over 1 billion crypto users by that time. All right. Right now, there's like a little over 300 million. So we're talking about a tripling in the amount of users of crypto by that time. That's, again, a lot of new people, a lot of new capital. And that's how you get to these new all-time highs. More people entering the space, more people utilizing the chains. Those times, they're not as far out as people think they are. We've gone through 2 years of a bear market now, and it's gone by like that. All right. I remember when I first started creating crypto content, I think it was in July of last year. It's gone by like a blur. I barely even remember some of those early days. If you look back at some of that content, it was pretty cringe. All right. We really just talked about articles at that point. We didn't have these more complex, in-depth conversations. But as time goes on, these conversations need to get more in depth because these become more than just price go up, price go down. It's more grand scheme of things, right? Broader, more complex things that are happening. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Do not sleep on mass adoption. We're going to go very quickly from 5% of the world population in crypto to 10, to 20, to 50. And with that, we should see some pretty good prices too. So I appreciate you guys. As always, this is not financial advice. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, but I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.